Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to Cardi Made It. So today I just want to come with a quick tutorial on how to remove vinyl from a t-shirt, heat transfer vinyl that is. Sometimes we make mistakes, you know. If we mess up and you don't want to just throw away your whole project. If you mess up, you want a way to at least try to fix it. So I know of two ways to remove vinyl. The first way is with maybe a vinyl removing solvent or is VLR. I will link it in my description box, so check that out. But for my people on a budget, you know, you want to use something that you might already have in your house. Basic iron. And this is just your everyday iron, Hamilton Beach brand. Nothing fancy. I have it on the highest setting, which is cotton. So basically, all you do is you put your shirt over the vinyl part that you want removed. And then basically you just hold it there. And the heat is going to make the vinyl lift up. Sometimes I hold it a little tight, give a little extra help. And I'll take my pen and I'll see. Just take the pen and stick it under the letter that you want up. Be careful, because you know you don't want to burn yourself. But yeah, it's that simple. On to the next letter. Bring it a little closer, because let me see. Okay, so just a little bit closer. So I just have my vinyl, the back side of my vinyl, up close to the heat. And the heat helps to lift the letter. You just take some, it doesn't have to be a pen. You can take like a needle or your cricut tool, your weeding tool, and you can use it too. See? It's gone. It's just real easy. I don't know why. And you don't have to even leave it on the iron long. And I actually pressed this shirt with the heat press. I didn't press it with the iron. So yeah, you just have it, lay it flat for a little bit. turn it off because we're done with it. Now, and when you press whatever you are going to press to replace what you had, these puckles will flatten out. So don't be alarmed. They should flatten on out whenever you press what you have to press over it. And that's it. It was that simple, guys. So yeah, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So basically, I just ironed all the puckles out. And you can, it's good as new, baby. That's good as new. If you can see my mat underneath, because the shirt's kind of thin. Make sure you thumbs up this video, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so it is time to announce the winner of my giveaway, which won't be hard at all. But I actually announced this giveaway like over 6 months ago when I was nowhere near 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just so glad to finally have made it. And without further ado, drum roll please. Pitiful drum roll. But the winner of my coloring giveaway is Kaylee B. Yay! So thank you so much for watching my video and supporting me. Look out for an email from me. I will be sending you one, and I just really appreciate everyone who is watching my videos. And look out for my next giveaway.